What's up, guys and gals? It's me. It's Gogo, as always. Keep bringing you a short video about my latest wheel swap. It's not a custom, it's just a wheel swap. What you're looking at right now is the Super Surfin school bus. BAM! That's right. I said it. Super Surfin school bus. That's my latest wheel swap. Because I got a couple customs I'm trying to fix out, or go with here. But I'll give you up close and personal. Tell me that does not look better than these wheels. If the yellow wheels look better than these ones, then I'm doing something wrong. Because I usually will swap out, do wheel swaps, and I usually pick the right wheels for the right casting. I don't know how I do it. I mean, I've only done a few of them, but I just match them up and I see if they fit, and if they fit, they look good, then there it is. Super Surfin school bus. Now, what I want you to imagine is that Super Surfin school bus having some super tires. Alright? But I want you to imagine that Surfin school bus, that Super Surfin school bus right here. I want you to imagine this thing. Imagine that Surfin school bus. Wow. I can't talk right now, but imagine this particular casting, but not this one I'm looking at. I have another one that I stripped down earlier and hand polished and smoothed out best I can make it shiny, and I gave it a beautiful black paint job with copper sparkles. Like copper was thrown into the paint already, like I already pre-mixed. It was already mixed when I bought it. This baby looks sweet. It's from the paint I used on my this paint on this stripe here. Well, you can even tell. I don't know if the copper got onto that one, but oh, here, I'll look at my hand. Let me put it on my hand. Can you see it? It's still on my finger, but imagine the bus this color, right? But with copper flaking in it. Now, if I can get it to upload, I have a picture of it on my phone. I wonder if I can put it in front of the camera here. You guys can see it. Because Google Plus seems to not be working on my phone right now. But if I can pull up the photo, and we'll see if I can show it on camera here. I mean, it's probably not going to do the camera any justice. Well, I'll give you the top view. Can we see that? That's the top of that school bus right there, except it's a different school bus. There's the side, really, that light's blasting the hell out of it. Oh, no, that's a secret project. Can't see that. There's the top, but see the copper sparkling through? There's another shot. Oh, damn, secret project. I already know. Alright, just be on the lookout. You're not going to see that color very often. No, as before. I'd use that. I still have that one. I stripped her down. I didn't strip this one down. I stripped the other one down. And there was her. And there she is, all beautiful and red. Don't get used to her though. She might be leaving. But you can't see it on the side, but you can see it on the top like this. The way the light hits it. That's going to get such a great detailing job tomorrow or later. But yeah, there's oh, let's no, all right, back up. But there's that, guys. Oh, so what I want to do with this, all right, later when I decide to eat breakfast and whatnot, this is going to get re-polished, and I should have clear coated it before or after I polished, but this is going to get re-stripped. The stripe's going to be gone, taillights are going to be gone, and I'm going to do it all over again. It's going to get re-polished, re-stripped, and what's going to happen is I'm going to have thicker racing stripes going up to here, right? Okay, imagine two thicker black stripes coming down here for racing stripes, and then the middle piece where the engine sticks out, that black is going to be black with the copper flake. Yeah, just imagine that for later. I'm going to be doing that too. Oh yeah, it's going to be a fun-fulfilled day. Also going to be watching the dogs, which I'm going to get up soon and feed them, but whole purpose of the video was to show you this custom wheel swap. It looks so much better than those yellow wheels, and I can't wait to see what my Black Beauty comes out to look like. But there she is, Super Surfin school bus. Alright, check back with y'all later. As always, happy hunting, happy hauling, happy collecting. Peace!